Jose, World Models Market really had the pleasure of working with you during the show here in Russia. The models competition was quite an event. What were some of your impressions?
There's a lot of untapped talent here. I thought it was pretty great. There's some couple of great girls, yeah, especially in this city. You know, it was nice. I haven't been to the city yet, so it was nice to come in.
Do you find it, was it a unique experience for you to come working to the show and working with other colleagues in the industry?
Yeah. You know, it was nice to actually get to know people and other people, meet other agents I haven't met before and hang out and have a good time. And
do you have this opportunity in other shows or while you're on the road, or?
Sometimes, but not really. This is really like a positive, feeling, and you got to make new friends and whatnot. So it was cool.
So World Models Market could have a future in bringing trade shows together and inviting people like yourselves and your...
I think so, because the only time we actually get to see each other and to network is during fashion weeks, and it's too crazy. It's too all over the place. I think if we just do like one area and we get to do like one-stop shopping, so, and
yeah.
I think networking is like the most important thing.
Yeah, that's the key word, the networking and the fact that you can meet people face to face that you normally might just
talk an email over the phone, but to actually see somebody and get to know them, it's pretty cool.
Will you be participating in the show in November? Do you think you'll have a chance?
I hope so. I have to fight for that. Mm-hmm. There's other people that are, wanting to be in Berlin, but hopefully I can get in there.
Could you tell us a little bit about your role in your company and the name of your company?
Sure. Well, I work for Wilhelmina Models International. I'm one of the national scouts and international scouts, as well as a booker. So I do development. So I find models and teach them how to walk and talk, and develop the books and whatnot.
So it's multifaceted.
Yeah. Many hats.
Very good. In the show that we're having in Berlin in November, our trade show, anything that comes to mind that we've talked about over the past few days that you think would encourage you more, or you think would encourage other professionals in the industry?
I think it's just getting to, it's again like under one roof. It's like one-stop shopping. You can meet clients, you can see models, you can see other agencies. Networking that we probably cost more money for us to fly all over the world to visit these agencies and visit clients, and if we just have them under one roof, it's a lot easier for us.
Okay. Thank you for participating.
Thank you.